Okay, whenever you're dealing with data and trying to get it into a spreadsheet format, there are about two or three different ways to do it, and it can be tricky. Like this particular site changes from week to week, and I'm not sure why that is. But if I copy the website, doing a Control C, Command C on a Mac, and I try to type this formula, import HTML, quotes, the site, table in quotes, and one. Right now it's not working. So what's my backup plan? I go back to the data and I notice that I can download a CSV. A PDF is nice for looking at, but a CSV is much nicer for working. So I'm downloaded that. I go back to my spreadsheet, file, import. I'm going to do upload, select the file from my device, click on the file that was downloaded, and we're going to insert a new sheet here into the spreadsheet, import the data, and voila, there we have it. And in this case, I could rename this as SA2 for spreadsheet assignment 2, and I still need to do some cleaning here. So remember, it's pretty easy. Notice these are frozen right here, so if I want to handle that, I can go to view, freeze, no rows. Now it's not frozen at all, and then I can do some of the other steps that I would have. But that's an alternative way to get the data into the spreadsheet.